Welcome back everyone to generate.net. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new tool which we released actually today. It's called the AI brush and fill tool, which lets you brush any part of an image out and then fill it with something that you ask for from the AI. So as you can see, while I'm talking here, the background keeps changing. That's because this is my office how it looks normally. But after using this specific tool, I'm able to achieve this and even this just by brushing and filling. The idea is really you can do it on any type of image for any type of purpose. But in this case, I've used it for my purposes, which is basically to have myself as a, let me just remove here, myself as this part and then just kind of removing all the black areas out. So let me just show you how I did that, for example, and then that way you could see if this tool can be beneficial to you. So here I am at generate.net. This is how it's spelled. And then in the imaging section, you'll find AI brush and fill. And I'll link it in the description. And this is the tool you want to use. And what it is replace or remove any part of an image with AI just by brushing in the area you want replaced. So to get started, all you need to do is upload an image, and it's the only thing you can do on this page really. You can't really do anything else. And so once you click on this image, you'll be taken to your picture selector. So let's say, for example, I'll take, you know what, let's take an image of my office, how it looks normally. Just for example here. So this is how my office looks in reality. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush away all the unwanted objects. But in the end, I want to have a beautiful, massive office with a view to the coast. And then I have to kind of brush this all away. Now to do that, I have to just kind of enlarge this as much as possible because I really want to get a lot of this kind of removed here. So I'm just going to brush away all this text. Now I have another video which I'll link in the description to how to do this in OBS. Anyone who's kind of making videos probably knows about OBS. And the idea with OBS is that you can do a you can kind of do this while you're filming. So for example, right now I'm using OBS, and as you can see, I'm here and it's live and I'm literally filming as I do it. But back to the full screen here. And so here is the image. I just remove as much of the gunk as possible. And that's it. Then I click on, once I've finished with that, I just click on the fill button here. And then that's it. I've finished. Now I have to wait for the magic to happen. And what's going to happen is it's going to use what I've filled in as an area where it wants to kind of replace with what I've written in this box here. So anything you write in this box is what's going to be filled with. The possibilities are really endless. If you wanted, you could do a swarm of bees. You could write anything you want. Oh, here we go. It's taken me to the result. So here you can see an absolutely amazing result. I actually like it so much. I'm going to download this one because if I use this one, actually, no, I might use it right now in this specific video that I'm actually filming. So I'll click download right now. So it says the download has started. And then let me just apply it right now. So to do this kind of effect, all you need to do is go to your OBS application, which I'll kind of demonstrate right now if you know how to use OBS. And then all you need to do is go into your kind of your workspace area, and then you create a new scene, and then you add your video capture device and your image underneath. So if I just copy one of these, duplicate that, workspace 4. So all I've done here is add a video capture device and an image. So if I just replace this image with the one I just downloaded, which is this, so as you can see, it's over here now. And then I need to shrink it to size or enlarge myself is also an option. Okay, so there we go. I finished literally. So I just took an image right now from that app and I just placed it in this OBS window right here. And I just cut out myself by pressing the Alt key, and then you kind of remove the old version. Just make sure it's exactly right. And that's it. You can see how the the image is basically filled in. So that's just an example of how to do that. But the possibilities are endless. If we go back to the main screen over here, where you see what it's done, it's basically taken the area of the image where I have selected, and it's removed exactly what I've asked it for. And that's the bottom line. But let's restart here and show you just another example which probably makes sense to more people who are doing this kind of thing. Let's say you have an image with an unwanted artifact. For example, let's say you have a dog, for example, where you don't want the birds to be flying over here. So you just click on all three birds and then type remove in here and then click fill. And what you'll find is that the three birds will just disappear immediately once the video, once this is finished doing its job. Or you can write something in here, like for example, bumblebees or anything else. So basically you can edit images or edit people out of images or replace things in images just by brushing and filling. So thank you for watching. My name was Daniel. I was your host. Oh, here we are. It's removed all of these birds basically. But if we put in here now, let's say flying monkeys, for example, you will see it will fill the area with flying monkeys. Instead of empty area, those three areas here, you'll see flying monkeys. So I was Daniel, your host. We are Generate.net. We are a home to tons of imaging apps, tons of text apps, speech apps, audio apps, and soon to come video apps. So make sure you follow us to never miss another episode. So here's the flying monkeys at the back of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel to never miss any more episodes. Bye for now.